Hello friends, today we're going to learn about the tides. The tides are formed by the moon. The tide looks sometimes a bit mysterious, and even they can sometimes be very dangerous when you come too much closer to them. Tides are made by the ocean's water. What is the thing what makes the ocean water jump and fall again on the ocean, inside the ocean? Well, the thing is the moon makes it by its gravity. So let's dive more inside the mysteries of the ocean and find the answer to this question: how the tides are formed by the moon. Zoom in. When the ocean water, sometimes the ocean water when rises up, the rising was made by the moon. The moon has less gravity and Earth has more gravity than the moon. But still, the moon has the gravity. It has enough gravity to pull the ocean water. So let's see the process how to pull. When the moon takes its gravity and pulls the ocean water, it rises up and then travels millions of miles. And then it stops on the shore. And then after that, it again rises up and it stops on the shore. So that's how it's made. But again, a new question: why the ocean water more rises up when a storm occurs on the ocean and the sea? It rises up because the moon pulls water through its gravity towards it, and then the winds of the storm makes it more rise and higher. So that's why it appears big. And